Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I was notified or contacted by a company named um, Girl Melanie. And she wanted me to try this slimming waist trainer for women. You can wear it every day. It is for plus size body types. Okay. And it comes in the color you see here. It comes in black. And it also comes in leopard. The color I have here is reflective. Okay. It's a rainbow reflective. I have the medium size. They have from small to extra small to I don't know how they say it, 6X large. So, and from what I see in pictures, you put, I think it's this on first. Yeah, this on first. And you start on the very last one. And then you wrap the belt around the whole corset here. Now, I'm gonna try this for a month. And I will be back in 3 weeks to give y'all my first impression on if it works or not. But this first impression, I like the way it's shaped, the smoothness of it, and the material is neoprene. So, and it got the hook and the hook and eye. Here's the hook, here's the eye, or here's the hook and here's the eye. I think that's how it goes. But they call it a hook and loop closure. Okay. As I said, it's adjustable. It'll help you sweat as you wear it. It is sweat proof and waterproof. And it is the belly fat hider. Okay. Like I said, in 3 weeks I'll come back and give you my first impressions on how it works for me. And it'll be my opinion. And then about a week after that, I'll come back and let y'all know how much I have lost. I will weigh myself in the morning, or let's put it this way, I will weigh myself today, November 3rd, and I will let y'all know when I come back how much weight I have lost wearing this. Okay? So thank you all for watching. Please be kind, be safe, be happy, be caring, be blessed, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.